Welcome to Willowside. We're in the fantastic village of Trull on the south side of Taunton, and this stunning home has been completely reimagined by the owners. So if you're looking for something a little bit special, this could be just for you. So if you're looking for a property where there is real attention to detail and a bit of a luxurious feel, then really look no further, because our clients have gone to exacting standards to ensure that their home is beautifully finished. And that really follows a theme throughout the property. This versatile but beautifully finished studio, summer house, whatever you want it to be room really, adds another aspect to this beautiful property, where put the bifolds back, enjoy outside, entertaining. We've got nearly 1/4 acre of level gardens here, enjoying the sun all the way through. For me, it's a finishing touch to this super property. Give us a call, 01823 423 500.